What I wanted to share with you here is, this is a Kennedy Kits Model 620 Machinist tool chest. And this is dates to the 1930s, 1940s. Happened to have a advertisement for it here. This is a 1938 advertisement listing it for $13.99 back then. You can see it shows it there with a machinist tool chest with 3 drawers. So this is, it has a lock on the front. It has this front panel and a really nice heavy carry handle. And this one has the original like paint on it. It's in pretty good shape. No big dents or anything. Some scratches in the bottom of it. See there's some scratches on it. No major rust problems happening. The way that this opens up has a key here where I do not have the keyhole, but you lift that up. The key, if it was locked, you wouldn't be able to lift it. When you turn that, it would put a little piece of metal down in here, so this wouldn't flip up. But it opens up there, then you could lift the lid, and you can see that it has green felt lining. And here is a worn out label for it. You can see their Bighorn line. This was the Bighorn line of the Kennedy Kits Model 620. So it's got felt lining there. Then it has these little spring-loaded latches here that when the lid goes down, it pushes those down and it puts them into those 2 holes there, so that it holds that front panel on there so you can't get into these drawers when it's locked. And the panel comes off. This is a front panel, and it slides right in there. So then you could get to your drawers then. And it has a big drawer on the bottom here, felt lined, and a second drawer, and a smaller third drawer that's divided. And these could have had more dividers in them. This one just has them 2 open ones and 1 split in half on the top. So pretty cool little toolbox. Here, let's put that on there. Then you can drop this down, lock it up, and you can't get into the drawers. So anyway, there's the Kennedy Kits Model 620 Bighorn line machinist chest.